How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It's Connor with BMW Freeport, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your drive recorder package. So we're going to go ahead into our applications and select on our drive recorder, and we're going to go to our settings here. What the drive recorder does is it uses the 360 cameras around the vehicle to go ahead and record in the event of an accident or theft. We're going to want to make sure that recording is always allowed and that manual and accident recording is also enabled. We're going to want to make sure that before and after trigger is set for 30 seconds so that it records 30 seconds before the accident and 30 seconds after the accident. This makes it easier for insurance purposes to create a police report to show who would be at fault in the accident. You also have theft as well, so God forbid your window gets broken into, triggers your alarm, you can go ahead and pull the footage right from your phone right there. If you're wondering what I'm referring to, if we access our parking sensors here and we go to our More view and the 3D view, we can go ahead and look at all the cameras here. So all these cameras are constantly recording in the event that you would get into an accident or you would like to manually record and export that video to your phone. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing BMW Freeport. If you'd like to see more videos, please comment and subscribe down below.